Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with the one and only Mr. John Sterling. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing awesome. Ready for round two.
Absolutely, man. So you are doing something pretty sexy, pretty amazing for the one rental at a time community, whether it's a student or a follower. You have taken on some pretty unique challenges that I never even thought about, which is pretty amazing. So why don't you tease out what you're trying to do, right? This is still very much a work in progress, but it's enough that I think people are going to see the vision that you're working for, and it's pretty awesome. So what you working on?
I'm working on an Access database to take the turnkey spreadsheet to the next level. With the turnkey spreadsheet, we were able to examine one property at a time.
Mm-hmm.
But with the database, you get a lot more power. You can examine multiple properties at your will.
I like it. All right.
So
why don't
I
you
guess we'll take a look at it.
Yeah, share away. Yeah, let's just see what your creation from, again, you did this all on your own from scratch. It's pretty cool.
A lot of hours go into making a database, believe me.
I can only imagine. I've never done it.
I think it's going to be worth it, not only to me, but for the entire community. And I'm going to let you give it away for free once it's done.
Awesome. What do you got?
All right, so here we go. Let me know when you see it.
I do. I just love that hammock. That's awesome.
Yes, that's the title page of the tabulated form here that I've built in this Access database. It's version 2019 that I'm using.
Okay.
As we remember, we have the defaults.
Yep.
I got the tax rate. I put interest rate here, number of payments, property management percentage, vacancy, CapEx, your monthly cash flow goal, and the goals for a great deal, good deal, average deal, fair deal, poor deal, bad deal.
All right. I like it.
And so from here, we go to the data input page.
I know that address.
Yes, I thought you'd enjoy that.
That's pretty clever.
So I put all this information in. Class A would be turnkey, Class B, minor rehab, Class C is a major rehab.
Got it. Okay.
So when you add a record, you just come to the end of the spreadsheet and you can add another,
Oh, okay.
So there's several properties in here. And
so
then you go here and you add one.
Okay. So basically what all of this is basically taking rows on my spreadsheet that my students build, and you're putting the variables here. Okay. I got you.
Yes.
Okay.
So you have all your monetary inputs here.
Yep.
And your property data here, including the classes I showed you.
Yeah. So you define the classes somewhere, like a class A is 0 and a class B is something, or do you define, are those new, or is a minor rehab assumed 10 grand, or is this just, it's an A, B, or C, just a flag?
I'm just making it a flag. A major rehab, I would say you're going to spend a lot of money.
No. I got it. So major rehab doesn't default to some number.
No, it doesn't. Minor rehab is just somewhere in between. I got that from your video.
No. I just wanted to know where we were going with this.
Yeah.
So I like it. I like it.
You just flag what you think it is.
Yep. I got you.
Okay. So next, from all this data, we can do all the calculations and they come up like this.
Interesting. Okay.
Just like we saw in the turnkey spreadsheet. But now it's a little bit more efficient, I think, and it's more readable. And well, anyway, in this case, our goal is insufficient. It's below my 35% goal that I put in there for you.
I got it. Yep.
This is the discount off the listed price if we made an offer at this level.
I like it. That's funny.
And then, this is a great deal at 11.99. And we met all three criteria. See, I got a mistake. I have to fix that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because the insufficient should have been.
Yeah, it should have been. Let me refresh it and see what it does. Yeah, I have
Okay.
to fix that.
That's all right. That's why it's a work in
Databases are
progress.
tough. You know,
Yeah.
there's
Yep.
a lot of calculations in there and it's got to be exact.
Mm.
And that's why I'm not giving it away yet, because it's
Yeah.
not really ready.
But the whole idea here is you're taking what Excel does in rows, you're making it more visual. So like if you were to change like from Norris Drive, that there's a drop down there, right?
Yes, you can pick another, you know, just like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
And then you will be on that property and get all the information with that. Yeah, that needs to be fixed.
That's okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I
That's
will
all right.
take care of that sometime today, but I'm planning on getting this out in a couple weeks.
Yeah. And then really your goal for this is what? If you were to tell somebody looking at this, because I got to tell you, this is going to be awesome for lots of people, also too much for some.
Well, let's say go back to Norris Drive and you want to print this up. You just click this and there's the report.
Now that's sexy. There's sexiness right there. Okay. I like it. Now
Yes.
that'll get people excited.
Yes.
Yeah.
The report is doing the same thing as the form. So I've got to fix both.
No, that's fine.
But anyway, so that you get the idea where I'm headed with this.
Yeah.
Usually it takes me anywhere from 3 to 6 months to develop a database. I did this in about 3 weeks.
Wow. You're focused.
Yes, I'm a man of focus,
Daily
commitment,
discipline.
and total dedication.
There you go. There you go. This is amazing stuff. I like what you've got here. I do want to let some people know that because I know some of you looking at this who freak out about Excel. This might be a lot for you. This really is my simple Excel spreadsheet just to the next level. You can get enough out of Excel, but for some of you looking at this going, oh my God, this is perfect. This is what I've been waiting for. Excel is too simple. So it's taking data input that you collect from your buy box and your deals, taking your criteria and visualizing. I love the print preview or that's the hook. That's sexy right there. Yeah.
You like that?
Oh, that's what people, and again, you could have this for Norris Drive and then Terrace and then Clinton and whatever
Any
else.
property that you load.
Yeah. And then you could just print it out. I mean, for me, I like paper. I would print it out, put it in a binder, and it would just be like awesome.
So again, instead of examining just one property, you can examine anything in your entire list in the table.
Yeah.
In your buy box.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
So you can have 20, 40 properties that you can print up at your will.
Yeah. This is very, very cool. Any other closing thoughts on this? Because this is a lot of fun to look at.
No, I just want to get it tweaked.
Mhm.
I want to turn it out in a format that will allow anybody to open it.
Okay.
Access has a way of converting the file, and I will do that when it's done and bulletproof, as I call it.
Nice.
I want everything to work perfectly before I turn it out.
Absolutely. Yeah. We don't want to create confusion. We focus.
Yes.
Well, John, thank you very much for doing this. Happy Father's Day.
Same to you.
Thank you very much. Yes. Enjoy the day. Have some fun with the kiddos, and we'll talk again.
Thank you very much.
You got it. Thank you.
Bye-bye.